Alright, so what I'm about to do here now is called a gas engine combustion leak test. This is for me to determine whether this vehicle, which is this Jeep Wrangler, has a blown cylinder head gasket. So there is steps to this. This liquid right here, I have some more here. This one is almost finished. This liquid goes into this leak combustion tester. We have to fill it to the fluid level, and while the vehicle is running, we have this pump that we put on the top that we pump, and while we pump this, it sucks any combustion gas that's going back into the radiator from the cylinder head. So that way this blue liquid will change color. It will go from blue to yellow if it has a bad cylinder head gasket. So stay tuned with me and we'll get to the bottom of it. Alright, so here we go. You're about to start it. And then what we do, see the radiator, it's already back pressuring. So more than likely this has a blown head gasket. And we're gonna find out. And this is all we do. We just pump it while it's running. And it's gonna show us if there's any changes. Okay. So far this is what we got. So there's changes to the color. It's not as bad, but it's bad. It's not looking like this. This is blue. That's not blue. So we may have a blown head gasket.